open.
Oh, wow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a room transformation. Today I'm really excited because we're going to be making over my mother-in-law's bedroom. We're going to be cleaning it, decorating it, organizing it, and doing a few hacks as well to surprise her for Mother's Day. She's been so supportive over the years, so she really does deserve this. And this video is going to be the first in my new series, which I'm calling Hack Your Home, in where I actually come in to a house and organize it, clean it, decorate it, do a few hacks, whatever it is, whatever you need, to someone who really does deserve it. So you can actually nominate people to get a bit of help from me and my team. Don't actually have a team yet, but I will. My husband Matt is over there. He can be part of the team. We just thought, first off, who could be more deserving than the one person who helps us so much with childcare. If we've ever had a date night in the past 11 years, she's had the kids for us. And she's actually been like kind of doing up her house recently, and her bedroom is kind of like the next on the list. We're excited to do this for her and hopefully give you a few ideas and hopefully be quite a satisfying transformation as well. To give you a bit of background, Matt's mum moved into this house about 17 years ago, and it could just do with a bit of a revamp now, but she's got a super busy lifestyle. She's very hands-on with all 5 of her grandchildren, and she still works for the NHS on the maternity ward. A few surprises up our sleeves, which I'll show you guys. One of them is we're actually going to get her a brand new bed, because whenever she stays at our house, she's always saying how much she loves the beds, like how well she sleeps as well. So we've managed to get her the same mattress that we have, and Emma Mattress have kindly gifted that to her as well. And they've also said that you guys can have an amazing discount. On their website, they currently have an incredible sale for Mother's Day. So I think you can get like 50% off, 52% off as well. But if you use my code in the description, it will get you a further 6% off the sale prices already on their website. So definitely use that. You can have a huge saving if you do need to get a new mattress or a new bed, something like that. But I'll show you a bit more about the actual mattress a bit later on. But first off, I think I will give you guys like a bit of a before of how the room is looking now. This is Matt's mum's bedroom. So this is obviously the bed, which we will be changing. I'm whispering because she's downstairs. This is the bedside table over here. She's got a wardrobe over here. It looks like a temporary one. And then she's got some shoe storage here. And then over in this side of the room, the room is actually such a good size. It feels really, really big. So she's got a chest of drawers over here. And then she's got a mirror here, got a laundry basket over here, and then a few bits on top. So I'm thinking we could definitely like organize the drawers and organize what's on top. And it might be nice to get something up on this wall as well. And also maybe on this wall over here behind the bed, and just give everything a good organize, and also get like some decor bits, maybe some cushions, maybe a new light as well, because this light shade used to actually be ours in our first ever flat, I think. We also might swap out the curtains. There's a really lovely big window. It is really nice and bright. So yeah, I think just a little bit of love and organization will be a huge transformation. She's also got a really good size linen closet, or like airing cupboard, with lots of sheets and towels in it. But I'm thinking we could definitely organize this a bit better, maybe even get some storage bags for it as well, and just give it like a bit of a sort out in here. Okay, so first off, as I said, we are going to switch out the bed and the mattress. So I'm just going to take all the bedding off, get rid of the mattress, and also the old bed frame as well. And while we were doing this, Matt was pretty pleased because he did find some money under the bed.
Cheers, Mum.
Yeah, so we did up this room over the course of about 3 days, and on one of the evenings, Matt actually came back to the house to build the bed, and we ended up buying the bed on Mattress as well. Obviously, they gifted us the mattress, but we liked the beds on the website so much, we decided to buy it there. It's really simple and stylish, and then the mattress arrived, and it's super compact, so it's really easy with delivery to get it upstairs through doorways and all of that. You just kind of open it out. Comes with this handy little cutter, so you don't actually cut the mattress when you open it, and as soon as you open it, it just grows and grows, and it's like this really soft, supportive mattress. It's very breathable as well. We have these on all of our beds. It's great for like spinal alignment, and you also get free delivery. There's a 10-year warranty, and they even do like a 200-night free trial, so if you're not completely happy, you can return it. But yeah, I just really recommend it, so I'll put that link, as I said, is in the description. Then our first job in this room was to declutter and reorganize and just give everything a good spring clean. So we pretty much did this in the KonMari way of organizing. We got all of the products together, we took loads of stuff out of the room, and then we also got Matt's mum involved so that she could actually have a look at things like the towels and the sheets and the blankets, see if there's anything she wanted to get rid of, and we did do a few like tip runs as well. We are going to switch out the curtains, and then this was kind of like midway through, again just taking everything off the sides. I think this was now the next day. We were doing it in between school runs and work and renovation and everything, so we did kind of have to break it up, but yeah, I'm just going to get on and give everything a really good wipe down, and then start moving furniture and vacuuming as well.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh.
And we also wanted to get her some more drawer dividers for her drawers. She actually had a few in her smaller drawers, but we just wanted to get her a few more. I got these on Amazon, and they're just great for things like socks and like smaller items, also great for like baby clothes as well. And then Matt went ahead and did like a lot of the DIY stuff, so like hanging shelves and photos and mirrors and all of that. He was drilling holes in the walls and like doing that side of things. And yeah, it's worth saying as well, we did consult the designer that's helping us with our renovation. We literally text her pretty much daily now for advice. So when it came to like sorting out Anne's room, we also spoke to her, and she helped us with the layout and with the products and everything else. So I'll link her down below as well if you want to check her out. We also changed out all of the little like handles on her drawers. Some of them were broken, some were a bit loose, and we just thought it might be like a nice easy way to like revamp her furniture without having to paint or do too much. So Matt went ahead and did all of that, and he actually matched the new little knobs on like all of the furniture. So he put the same ones on the bedside table and then the same ones on her shoe storage as well, so it all kind of like ties in. Yeah, so he was kind of running around doing all of that. He hung a shelf over the bed, and I'll show you what we're going to put on it a bit later on. We've got some nice prints and a little plant to put on that as well, make it a bit of a feature. We also switched out the light for this like lampshade, which is quite cool. It's almost like a wicker basket type thing, but it really goes with all of the colors. Then we also took out her old temporary wardrobe. We would really like to get her a proper wardrobe at some point, but we couldn't really find like the perfect one. Then Matt put the prints together as well, and then I kept organizing some of the drawers, like all of her hair products, and then I kind of like Marie Kondo'd some of the clothes as well.
Standing underneath the lights, we look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, and time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, we look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
Okay, so we gave everything a really good declutter and clean and organized. We managed to fit a few more clothes into the drawers themselves and actually packaged up a few things that were just for winter. So she actually had a bit more space, and hopefully she won't miss the shelves that were in her previous wardrobe so much. And once we'd done all the organizing and everything, we could then get on with like the finishing touches. So we hung up some prints which we bought on Desenio, piano. We also added a mirror as well, and Matt put up like all the nails and screws for all of that. And then for her products that she had out on the side, we added like this little Lazy Susan. I think I got this on Amazon as well. I love these for all of my skincare products. I didn't know whether to add something like this or maybe like a fancy tray or a fancy mirror to like have everything on, but hopefully this feels like a bit more organized. And now this space, we felt like it looks really nice. And then we just moved on to like dressing the shelf above the bed itself. So again, these prints were all from Desenio as well. And then we added a little like Fejka, is that what it's called? The Fejka plant from IKEA. We have this in Fraser's room. We have this in one of our bathrooms. Just love those things. I love the way it hangs down. And Kiki liked the new bed and the new duvet as well. Because we were spending a lot of time here, we actually brought her with us. And it was really good because if we ever do go on a holiday, and we'll probably have Kiki, so it was great for her to like get used to the space. I also wanted to show you that Matt built this little bench at home. This was from IKEA as well. And we put this at the end of the bed, and under the bed and the bench we added a big rug sort of partly under the bed. We've been adding so many rugs to our house as well, and our designer, like, she loves to add rugs, and this one looked really lovely on the carpeting, just kind of like added something else. So then we put the bench at the end because there's so much space in this room, so it's like a nice little place where you can like put on your shoes or like sit down. And then we also added some new sheets. They were so adorable. They've got pom-poms all around the edges. Kiki kept wanting to sit on the bed as well, but Matt gave it a quick iron so that would look all like nice and smooth. And then we also added quite a few like textures, so we added a couple of throws and then quite a few throw cushions as well. So that is pretty much everything. I think, did I show you guys the curtains? We also added a new bedside table lamp and everything as well. So that is pretty much everything all done. So now I wanted to give you like a bit of an after tour, and then we're going to surprise Matt's mum. So the room is all done, so I wanted to give you a quick tour around. We finished cleaning, decorating and organizing, and it's looking so nice and bright in this room. We're really pleased. I can't wait for her to see this space now. So obviously we did like a good clear out of the drawers. The main change over here as well was we actually changed all the handles on the drawers, and so they're all like working. They look really nice. We actually did it on all the units, so we did the ones there and also on her bedside table. So that's all existing furniture that she already had. I also got this little Lazy Susan. You know, I love these, but I just thought this would be really handy for all of her products. We also sort of organized some of the drawers as well, and then hung a mirror here and a couple of prints as well. This area is probably what has changed the most in the room. So we actually bought her a new bed on Mattress, and obviously added the mattress that I showed you guys. We also put a rug partly under the bed and added a bench as well, so she can like sit down on the end of the bed, get her shoes on or whatever. Also got some new sheets which have the cutest pom-poms all around the edges, and we've added quite a bit of texture. So we've added a couple of throws, also lots of throw cushions as well, and then this little shelf above the bed, and some nice prints and a little faux plant. We've got this plant in a few rooms at our house. It's just IKEA and it's brilliant, so I've kind of added that. As I said, that was her bedside table, but we've actually added a new lamp. Then over here, this was her unit with her shoes in it anyway, and then unfortunately we haven't got her wardrobe. We couldn't find the perfect one, but I think we would really like to do that eventually. But for now, we've added like a slimmer IKEA hanging unit. We've got this at home as well, super cheap, just looks really nice and clean. So we managed to put everything that was on her shelves in her wardrobe into the drawers, and then just have this hanging unit here. The airing cupboard a little bit more, and she had a good clear out. She threw away some things that she doesn't need anymore. As you saw, we also switched out the lampshade, and we also changed the curtains as well to kind of like match everything else, but it feels really nice and bright and clean and fresh in here. So all that's left to do is actually surprise her.
And
open.
Oh, wow.
Like it?
Yeah. Oh, yes. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Just... Right, we'll see you later.
Oh, thank you.
Right, so that's it for this video, but I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget, if you know someone who's deserving of a little bit of help, or you want to go ahead and nominate yourself, I definitely want to do more of these like giving back videos. So yeah, I'll put my email address in the description down below, and also I'll put the discount code for Emma Mattress as well. But anyway, with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.